Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see an amazing feature of Excel that is going to blow up your mind guys. आज के पहले आप लोग 5% of the people only might know about this function. Rest 90%, 95% people does not know this. Let's see what we are going to learn today. The question is 5 hours of work we can complete it within 5 minutes. Let's see what is that. So the question is these are the list of NSE stocks. Okay, 15-16 stocks यहाँ पे list किया हुआ है. आपके मैनेजर या आपके इंटरव्यूअर ask you a question that can you fill all this data 52 week high low industry price beta p ratio open high low close price, all these prices can you fill for this stocks within just 1 minute 2 minutes or 3 minutes? Can you do that? Abhi, if you want to do the only way you can do this is either to go to NSE website or you need to log into Zerodha or any other broker and fetch this data. In that also you will be facing a challenge of calculating the beta, calculating the P ratio and all. If you don't know how what is the formula for that, then you cannot do that, right? But अभी अपने को वो सब करना ही नहीं है, तभी तो अपने लोग यहाँ है ना. We are going to learn how we can do this in 2 minutes. Let's see. So I will divide this into two part. First part is अभी जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, I am going to discuss how to convert this data. This is the raw data, right? We need to convert this into table first, and then second step would be what is the smartest way to fill up this data. So first part is how to convert this into table. Now at the end of the video I will tell you why we converted it into table. So select entire data including your header and just press Ctrl plus T together on your keyboard. So I'm doing that. So this dialog box gets opened up. So my table has header. I will select this even if it is not check marked. Check mark this and click on OK. So this got converted into table. Okay. Now this was the first part. Second part is now we need to fill up all this data, right? So what we will do is select this data, the entire data wherein the stock names are listed. Don't include header over here. Just select all the cells wherein stock names are mentioned. Go to data tab. See over here you have a stock icon. Click on this. As soon as you click on this, what happens is, see all this, the names that were earlier over here as HDFC Bank or Infosys and all, that got converted into a script name that is linked to NSE, National Stock Exchange, right? So now because we have this, now see in some of the cases you have question mark. So what is this? If you click on this question mark, this will show up your data selector. I mean Reliance Industries has multiple stocks that are listed in multiple stock exchanges. So see Bombay Stock Exchange or National Stock Exchange, and also we need NSE, right? So National Stock Exchange of India, Reliance, select this, that got converted. ये सारे स्टॉक्स के लिए ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है. कुछ एक स्टॉक्स जिसका स्क्रिप्ट मल्टीपल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर लिस्टेड ऑन अ स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, उसी के लिए कंफ्यूजन होता है, प्रॉब्लम होता है. तो एक्सेल वांट्स यू टू कंफर्म, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज गिविंग यू अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो इफ यू क्लिक ऑन भारती एयरटेल over here, so again over here see Airtel PP, Airtel this number and all, we don't need this. We simply need Bharti Airtel stock and National Stock Exchange of India, Bharti Airtel. So we will select this. अभी ये हो गया. Now once this is done, see the magic now. What we need to do is 52 weeks low high industry and all. What we will do, simply click on this. Now you have this button over here. Click on this. See these are all data that are available and you can fill up this in 1 minute. 52 week high is what we need. So simply click on 52 week high. You got this. Next 52 week low, right? So if you click on that, we have received 52 week low. Next we want industry. Click on this. Industry is available. Price, if you come down you have price. You need beta. Beta is available. You need P ratio. P ratio is available. You need open price, open high low close, right? So let's search where is open. Here it is. Here we go. High, we have high. Low, we have low over here, right? Awesome. So entire set of data is ready within just 2 to 3 minutes guys. अभी let me know in the comment section अगर आपको ये पता था, and if not whether it was इट ब्लू अप योर माइंड और नॉट, लेट मी नो। अभी ये सारा डेटा हम लोग भर दिए। Now, this we have practiced for NSE. I will attach this file in the description. You can download this from going into the description. You can download this in your laptop and you can practice for this stocks. This is Nasdaq stocks. The process is same. आपको ये सारा data fill करना है. And once you are doing this, if you face any challenge, drop me a comment. I will address your question and sort it out. ठीक है, मैंने आपको वीडियो के बीच में बोला था two parts. One part was converting into table and second part was filling up this data. Filling up this data is done. First part was why we converted into table. Because once we have converted this into table, see over here when we selected this, no, when we clicked on this icon, we had many data over here. As and when we were clicking on any of the data, it was giving us the header over here, right? ये header अपने को दिखा रहा था automatically. That is why we converted this into table. In case we would not have converted this into table, what would have happened is, let me show you quickly. See, I have raw list of stocks name over here. I will copy this over here just for explaining. So if we would not have converted into table first by pressing Ctrl plus T and simply clicked on step 2, that was stocks, ये convert तो हो जाता, but over here suppose Reliance को, let's confirm this, Reliance and Bharti Airtel, let's confirm this. Okay, अभी convert हो जाता, but if we would have clicked on this, say 52 weeks high, so ये price दे देता अपने को. See, same price, but you will not get a header over here. So that is why we converted into table. If you convert into table first and then apply fetch up this values, then you will automatically receive what is your data. Like these are the industry names, so it will show you industry. These are the price, it will show you the price. Fine. So that's all what I wanted to discuss about this. Right, let me know if you have any questions, and I know you have liked this video. Guys, please go and click on like button, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to the channel because I want you to become the Excel expert. Even if you spend 5 minutes a day, you will see the difference in the next 3 months, guys. Don't miss this out. Entire thing is free. We are doing this for you only. Let's grow together. Thank you. Bye.